HENGKO excels as an innovative OEM in sintered stainless steel filter discs, specializing in custom designs for diverse industries. Our filters come in various shapes, pore size and sizes, adaptable to any requirement, and we excel in engineering composite parts with precise pore sizes. Our products, known for exceptional quality and durability, withstand varied conditions, offering cost-effective, long-term solutions. We serve multiple sectors like pharmaceuticals and food and beverage, closely working with clients for tailored solutions. Our commitment to customer support ensures a smooth process from start to finish. HENGKO, your partner in providing customized, quality, eco-friendly filtration solutions.